this video, I will show you how to import from China using Pinduoduo and 1688 Chinese shopping app for beginner guys. So let's go. Before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Salva or Pinduoduo or iFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider contacting me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials about China importation business with 1688 and Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to start importing from China using 1688 and Pinduoduo shopping app. Alright, so the very first thing we want to do is to head over to our Pinduoduo shopping app. So I'm going to use my Pinduoduo as the first one. Then, having opened up your Pinduoduo shopping app, there are various ways to source for item on Pinduoduo shopping app. So what I'm going to do is to make use of image search because it's very easy and direct for me to source for an item. So I'm going to click on this camera icon here. The camera icon simply means image search, okay? So having clicked on the camera icon, I have to select the picture from my phone album. So this is the product picture. Boom. So what I need to do is to simply scroll down, and I'm going to select on this. Then the next thing I need to do is to simply verify the item to add it to cart. Next thing I need to do is to simply go back to my profile. Then for me to access my profile, I have to click on here. Then for me to access the item in the cart, I have to click on here. So we have the item right here, okay? So I was able to add about 4 different items, 1, 2, 3, 4 in different color. So for me to make a purchase, I need to simply click on here to buy it. Then I have to click on here to proceed to checkout. So from my checkout right here, you can see the products different. This is blue, this is pink, this is purple, and this is yellow. Different color entirely. Next thing I need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure I choose Alipay as a means of payment. So next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed to checkout. Then I enter my payment password. Payment done, successful. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on done. Then I need to click on here to close this pop-up. Then I have to go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, all the 4 items we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see them right here. So this is the first one, second one, third one, and the very fourth one is here. So this is how to buy from Pinduoduo shopping app. So let's check out on how to import from China with 1688. So let's go. So the very first thing I need to do is to simply click on my 1688 shopping app. Then it's going to open up this page. Okay, next thing I need to do is to select an item that I would like to purchase. Okay, so what I need to purchase here is 3D bottle, this type of product right here. So what I need to do is to simply click on the product link. Then it takes us to the sales page of the store right here. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to add them to cart. Okay, so right here I need this 3D. Then I will just add 2 right here. 1, 2. Then I'll simply click on here to add them to cart. So the next thing I'm going to do is to exit from here and continue with another store. Okay, so let's check out on another store. Alright, so from this store right here, I need just 5 pieces of these items. So for me to add it to cart, I have to click on here. So I need 2 pieces of this. I need 1 piece of this. I need 2 pieces of this. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to add them to cart. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to check out my cart. So we have them right here. Then from the cart right here, I have to select each of these items. I'm going to select this. Then I'll scroll down, I'll select the second one. Then I'll click on here to proceed to checkout. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to payment. And I click on here to proceed. And I click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. Payment done successful. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to go back to my profile. For me to access my profile, I need to simply go back, and back. Then I have to make sure I click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, we're going to see the item right here. So let's check it out. So here we go. So this is the first one and this is the second one. So it's as simple as that. So this is how to import from China with 1688 and Pinduoduo shopping app for beginner. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo or IDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.